I know how hard it can be to start pursuing your acting career, and how challenging it might be, especially if you haven't done it before and have absolutely no prior experience. I want to help explore yourself in the most interesting way possible. Find the acting talent within you and truly have fun while doing so. Hey everyone, my name is Evgeny and I'm a professional movie and theater actor with experience in more than 25 short films, some of which have gained international awards and recognition. Over the last 7 years, I have performed in numerous theatrical shows, TV commercials, voiceover programs, YouTube productions, and more. I studied at Le Coq Private Drama School in Paris, the Moscow Film School in Russia, and online U Hollywood Acting School, which has offices in both California and Russia. I also have a YouTube channel called Evgeny's Heartbeat, where I create inspirational videos, short films, music videos, and personal vlogs about my life in Chile, where I now live as a content creator. But this course is not about me. It's about you, first and foremost, and how you can easily take your very first step into acting. Whether you are an aspiring actor, someone who just wants to try something new related to the art of acting, or a professional actor looking to challenge yourself to see how precisely you can showcase specific emotions and sharpen your acting skills in that direction. By the end of this course, you will learn how to create your very own first actor emotion card, which will be available part of your future or current portfolio if you already have one. Not only will you gain knowledge, but you will also experience, to some extent, the current limits of your acting talent, the range of emotions you can portray on camera, and how you can practically apply this knowledge in real-life scenarios. Together, we will discover what makes actors so special and different from everyone else, what unique characteristics every actor should have, how to captivate audiences, what the wheel of emotion is, and how we can benefit from it in our profession, and much more. If this is the first acting course you are taking, I promise to do my best to help you embark on this journey easily and smoothly, having fun while discovering your creative potential and playing along the way. To complete this course, you won't need anything other than the computer or device you're watching this video on right now, and the camera to make a photo collage of your emotions, which will serve as your acting emotion card. Your smartphone will work just fine. This course is packed with insights and fun. Thank you so much for trusting me to be your teacher. I'm sure we'll have a fantastic time together. Now, get yourself ready and let's start the course.